Hi guys, today I'm doing a review of this Decorate Your Own Water Bottle Kit. As you can see here on the box, this is kind of the general idea. You just take a water bottle and we're going to be decorating it. My daughter's already done a couple of these and she absolutely loves these projects. So inside, this is what the water bottle looks like. It's going to have the twist off cap right here. A little hard to do one hand, but you just twist this off and it has the spout to drink out of. And then this part can also twist off. And then that's what the bottom looks like. So this is a nice bottle. It's stainless steel. It will keep your drink nice and cold. And then down here we have all the supplies you need for doing your decorations. You've got your diamonds for the diamond art. Over here is your utensils and your wax that you'll use to do the diamond art. You've got these stickers right here. And then of course your little pop bracelet and the little mermaid charm. So lots of things here to help you make a really cute bottle. So overall, this is a really great craft kit and definitely one that I recommend.